If you're expecting a little one, or maybe you know someone who is, I have a really great Keepsake baby book to show you. Let's open this up. When you open it up and slide it out of the case, you'll see you have your binding here, and you have this beautiful blue, serene, peaceful, and gender neutral cover here. This has a little butterfly here with some hands, and then you have this like starburst and some little mountains. Very cute. When you open it up, you'll see inside the little intro page with all these cute animals, baby's name, and a list of suggestions for how you can lay this book out, because this book does not have prompts in it. Every page is blank with this self-adhesive photo page. So you would just lift the tab here, stick your photos in, and close it down. You don't have to stick them any other way. They just stick right in here. So every page is blank for you to write what you want to. So at the beginning, you have that guide there to give you ideas of the things you can photograph and put in here, as well as things you can write about. But I like that it doesn't have prompts on every page, so you can just fill them exactly how you want to. It's not too masculine or too girly, so it's gonna be perfect for any gender. And it has a lot of pages in here, and here is the last page there. So if you are on the hunt for a really cute baby book, check this one out.